Are you struggling to select the top record ordered by date in Oracle SQL? You're not alone. This is a common challenge many developers face, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you have the right query, only to find out it doesn't work as expected. You're definitely not the only one who has run into this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. How can you select the top record while also ordering by date in Oracle SQL? One user pointed out that using row num and ordering by date doesn't yield the expected results. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand the issue, we need to recognize that row num is assigned before the ordering happens. This means that if you try to filter by row num after ordering, it won't work as you might expect. Let's break this down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a neat trick that will make your SQL queries even more efficient. To select the top one record ordered by date in Oracle SQL, the user should use a subquery. This allows us to first order the records by date and then select the top one from that ordered list. In this query, the inner select statement retrieves all records from the table and orders them by the transaction date in descending order. The outer query then limits the results to just the first record. It's important to note that the user should replace table name with the actual name of their table and transdate with the actual date column they want to order by. Finally, the user can execute this query in their Oracle SQL environment to retrieve the top record based on the most recent date. Fun fact, did you know that SQL was developed in the early 1970s? It's amazing how this language has evolved, but still has some quirks that can trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the Fetch First clause in modern Oracle versions. This allows you to select the top row while ordering by date in descending order. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to selecting the top record ordered by date in Oracle SQL involves using a subquery. This method allows you to first order the records by the transaction date in descending order, and then select the top record from that ordered list. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach to selecting the top one ordered by date in Oracle SQL involves using window functions. You can create a subquery that calculates the minimum and maximum transaction dates, then filter the results based on these values. Another option is to join on a derived table that contains the minimum and maximum transaction dates. This allows you to select records that match either of these dates. It's important to check the execution plan to determine which method performs better. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to use subqueries when dealing with row num and ordering. This will save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to select the top record ordered by date in Oracle SQL. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep coding and see you next time.